Hi there, Mike here. I'm down in the bottom left here. A while ago, I said that I was building a website for a client, and I started thinking about, collecting data on the website. What happens to it? Where does it normally go? Typical approach to this would be you would connect it to a CRM system. So when they fill in the form on a website, it would populate a CRM system such as HubSpot, etc. But I started thinking about, well, why don't I build in a CRM system into the website? So if the form is completed on the website, then the owner of the website can then just log into the back end of the website and see a simplified CRM. Thought maybe HubSpot or and the likes were maybe a bit too sophisticated for that, so I decided I would build it. So here it is. This is built using Zite and Zite's internal database. It's a very simple website. I one prompt created the website and the CRM back end. I'll just show you quickly how it actually works. So here's a website. This is where the navigation would go. It's not how a production ready website. Obviously, for a plumber, you'd have more photography, etc. But at the end of the day, the purpose was to collect data and then allow the plumber or whoever owns the website to get back to the person who made the request with a quotation. So if you press that button, you fill in your details. So it's Mike Watson. No, I've already got Mike Watson in the database, so I'll go Mike Smith. Now I'll put in my email, phone number, my address, type of job it is. Well, I've got a leak. Tap is leaking. Submit inquiry. So just give a second. That's submitting, and it's been submitted. So where did it go? Where is the data? It's being stored in Zite's internal database in this instance. I would maybe consider using Airtable if I was building this for myself, because Airtable's got some more built-in automations and etc. But if I go back to the admin section of the website, here's it loading the details of people that have already filled in the database. So here's the one I just literally filled in, Mike Smith, my email address, my phone number, and if I load the information that I completed on this CRM, got all the details here, and I can now quote. I'm going to say it's going to cost £1,000. And here's a scope of the work, because I'm going to sort the tap, and I prompted Zite to send an acknowledgement or send a quote, won the job or lost the job, and then I can actually the road. I can actually check, put in my pipeline. So if I quoted it now, with some more notes, and then I update it. So I've now got a CRM back end of the database. Back end of the website, and I can track inquiries without having to go to the fairly difficult to understand integration of another standalone CRM system such as HubSpot.